Gina, and I run a business called Heartcraft Girl. I'm a former first grade teacher, and now I sell products on Amazon. So I'm here today with my little buddies. Here's Logan and Kellen, and I'm missing my third little guy, Owen. And I'm going to show you my new product. All right, Logan, are you ready to see our new product?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, here it is. Let's show them, Kellen. It is the Creative Cuptisserie, and it is a cup turner for drying your artwork. And this is an example of something you can make with it. This is done by one of the tumbler experts, Sam Burkett, and it is so smooth. So you can make cups with epoxy and glitter and decals. The first thing I wanted to show you about is the product insert and a little quote I made for you. Throw kindness around like confetti. If you need any support, here's where to reach me. And if you've ever thought about selling your tumblers once you get going on this, I am starting a mompreneur training, and I'm going to go through getting started as a small business, getting registered, and learning the tricks of advertising on Facebook. So we would love, love, love to have you there. Just put your phone right here and it will link you up with me. This is also the product insert and the assembly directions. So it will take you step by step about how to put this together and get going. So there's also a coupon for if you need any more wands. Here we have 2 pieces of foam, one small and one large, depending on the size of your tumbler. And here are 2 steel plates, and one has the motor attached. It was specially designed not to overheat and can be run for weeks at a time. Here are the 2 sets of screws it comes with. These silver screws are meant to be put into a permanent place like a workbench. And the black screws are what are used to put it together. They're really easy. You can do it with your hands. You do not need any tools. You can just put it right in. I'm going to show you how to put it all together now. You're going to take your foam, depending on the size of your tumbler, and it's really important you do this properly so that when you're spinning your cups, that they do not get drips. So go ahead and push the foam all the way to the bottom of your cup. And if you want to cut the foam, you certainly can, if you want to make it smaller. And then second step is to insert the rod all the way in the wand, as far as it can go. Okay, and then it's ready to be attached to the motor rod. And this is another step where you want to make sure you push it all the way. Okay, and we are ready to turn this on. Just plug it in, and there's a little switch right here. Do you want to push it, Kellen? Yay! And there you go. And it's ready to be drying your artwork with no drips. Thank you so much for purchasing from my small business, Heartcraft Girl. It means so much. I would love, love, love to see what you think of the product. And so click the link below and give me a review. Thanks again. Let's wave, you guys. Wave. Bye-bye.